Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony Bluetooth headphones to an Oppo phone. It's a straightforward process, but a few preparatory steps will ensure a smooth connection. First, please make sure both your Sony headphones and your Oppo phone have at least 50% battery charge. Also, confirm your headphones are not already paired or connected to another device, as this can prevent a new connection. Next, let's get both devices ready for pairing. On your Oppo phone, open the Settings application, tap on Bluetooth, and toggle the switch to turn it on. For your Sony headphones, if this is their first time pairing, they often enter pairing mode automatically when removed from their charging case. If you've paired them before, press and hold the power button for about 5 to 7 seconds until you hear the voice guidance say, Bluetooth pairing, or see a rapidly flashing indicator light. With both devices in pairing mode, it's time to connect them. On your Oppo phone within the Bluetooth settings, tap the option to scan or search for devices. Your Sony headphones should appear in the list of available devices, typically by their model name. Tap on your headphone's name to initiate the pairing process. You might see a pairing request pop up. Simply confirm it. A voice prompt from your headphones or a notification on your phone will confirm a successful connection. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, try toggling Bluetooth off and then back on again on your Oppo phone. If that doesn't work, restart both your phone and your Sony headphones. You can also try forgetting the headphones from your phone's Bluetooth settings and then repairing them. Always ensure both devices are within 1 meter of each other and away from other strong wireless signals that could cause interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.